Alright, let's look at the homework 2.2, 2.5, problem number 12. Alright, so we want to find an equation of the tangent line to this function here at 2, 9. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so since the point is given, so I'm going to call this guy x1, y1, as usual. Right, then we need to find the slope. So we need to find the derivative. So f prime of x is equal to, right? So let's use the quotient rule. Right, square the denominator. So you have a quantity x minus 1 squared. Right, then take the derivative of the top. So it's a 4 and times the bottom x minus 1 minus top is 4x plus 1, and then multiply by the derivative of the bottom, which is going to be 1. Alright, so if you clean this up, you're going to get, let's see, I'm going to just go ahead and distribute 4 to x and a negative 1. So we should get 4x minus 4. Right, then you have a minus 4x minus 1, right, all divided by quantity x minus 1 squared. Right, then we can cancel positive 4x and then negative 4x. Then you're going to combine, let's see, negative 4 and negative 1. So this is a negative 5 over quantity x minus 1 squared. Alright, so we can find the slope m by simply plug in x equals 2. So f prime of 2 is equal to negative 5 over 2 minus 1 is 1 squared. So it's going to be 1 squared. So it's going to be just a negative 5. Alright, so by point slope form, we have equation y minus y1, y1 is 9, is equal to, slope is negative 5 times quantity x minus x1 is 2. Right, so I'm going to distribute negative 5 to x and a negative 2. We're going to get negative 5x plus 10. Alright, then I'm going to just add 9 to both sides. So you have a y is equal to negative 5x plus 19. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, negative 5x plus 19. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, it came back and looks like we got the equation correctly. Alright, so let's use the Geogebra to sketch the picture here. Alright, so I'm going to open up Geogebra. Alright, here. Alright, so our function is, let's y equals, right, so actually I forgot what it was, 4x plus 1 over x minus 1, right, so I'm going to type in quantity 4x plus 1, plus 1 over x minus 1. Alright, so let's make sure I have that. 4x plus 1, x minus 1. Alright, so I think 4x plus 1, x minus 1. We got that. And the equation of the tangent line was y equals negative 5x and plus 19. Alright, so plus 19 here. Plus 19. Alright, so this is the picture. Alright, so I'm going to just move a little bit. Alright, so let's find the correct picture. Alright, so it looks like, let's see, I forgot what it looked like. It looked like this. Alright, so let's try to find that. Alright, so this looks promising. This is way off, and this is off, and that's off. So you can see that this is the closest one, and let's double check. Alright, so it looks like that. Alright, so it's working. Alright, so let's check the answer. Alright, it came back, and looks like we got the correct picture. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.